We're going to just continue to add to and bring in new art and bring in some ideas for bringing in the community as well to do stuff. It should be a lot of fun.
One of the things that sets Lockport apart from a lot of other communities is our commitment to the arts. And we're able to bring a lot of other families, community members from other communities to patronize our businesses and see all of the things that our downtown has to offer. And this project definitely helped contribute to that.
What I find exciting about this is that being a lifelong resident of Lockport, I remember how things were downtown many, many years ago. We've been able to do a lot of great things, and this fits right in with that entire theme of what we've been trying to accomplish over the past 10 years.
Illuminate Lockport is a great addition to the city of Lockport. It will be an asset to all businesses who are here in the city, as well as be a gateway to additional tourism.